A Pakistani defense expert has condemned the U.S. decision to provide cluster bombs to Ukraine and especially warned of its potentially catastrophic consequences.
Cluster ammunition is banned around the world. Almost more than 100 countries have signed the cluster bomb ban treaty. It's a double standard. It means on the one hand, you are condemning it, and they say it is a war crime. And second thing, you are providing the ammunition and fodder which is being banned, or which you consider that it will escalate the war and more.
The United States announced earlier this month that the cluster bombs will be a part of a new military assistance package worth $800 million to Ukraine. The move has elicited sharp criticism worldwide. The expert also warned of the serious consequences that may occur after using cluster bombings.
The way America used uranium-depleted shells in Iraq war, so it not only killed the population, but it polluted the soil as well as the water. And the cancer rate rose by 50% in those areas. So same goes to the cluster bombs. So it is not the weapon or the bomb which is dropped and it explodes, but it remains on the earth, and that's why after the years it will be a danger to the humanity.